Look what we have here, guys. It's a tasty child. Let's scare him. Hello there, boy. Tasty. Let's see what you're afraid of. But don't be afraid of me. I'm not going to hurt you. I'm going to murder you. Let's find something you're afraid of, shall we? What about clowns? Do you fear clowns with their painted faces and big smiles? You just know they want to harm you one way or another. What about needles? The feel of steel, as sharp as a knife, piercing into your flesh, injecting you with unknown liquid. What about falling from great heights? The fear of falling off a cliff top and plummeting thousands and thousands of feet to your death. There are so many possibilities. Yours is a very twisted mind to begin with, after all.